Okay, everybody. Sorry for the wait. There's an alien invasion. There's an alien invasion right over there, and nobody moved from the cars. If they move from the cars, then they may get killed by the aliens. Don't move from the cars unless you want to get killed by an alien. If you don't want to, when you get out there, then get back in. And sorry for the wait, so see you later. And sorry for the wait. Oh my God! Someone got hurt out there! Oh, someone got hurt! Oh, someone got hurt. Okay, stop. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. You know what? Let's stay in our car so we don't get in this. Okay, y'all. Let's stay in our car so we don't get into this alien invasion. Yeah. Is anybody crazy? I'm the president. You're right. Oh, you're right. Ow. I don't think I should stop driving. I'm running out of gas. Open the door. I'm getting out. Okay, I'm gonna stay out here and talk to you guys like crazy. Okay, sister, better not get hurt. Alright, cause when we're driving, you're gonna get hurt. Okay, sis. Sweet. Okay. What's that for you? Okay. Okay, let's get out of here. I'm the president, so everybody follow me! Follow me, everybody. There is no way we are going that way. Yeah, we are not going there. The aliens are about there. We'll captain. Oh, let me say our name is this. President! Oh my gosh, lady. You are the president. I'm the president. Right, yo. You gotta pay attention to me. Alien! Alien attack! Everybody, get attention! Everybody! 2 people are out of the car. You two, get in your car. Aliens are attacking. Okay. Get in your car. What's the matter? What's the matter, person? Alien attack. Everybody, get in your cars. Get in your cars. Say, get in your cars. Get in your cars. Woo! Get in your cars. Get in your cars quickly. You're the safest one. Oh no, I just want to stay out here and talk. I don't even want to get in town. Ah! Excuse me, aliens. Aliens! Oh, honey, get on your chair. Honey, get on your chair. Get in your car. Why? Aliens! Oh, I'm staying in Did I smell what I think I smell?
I farted.
I thought he farted in my face! Farted in my face, Joe. You farted in my face, guy. I'm like right in front of you now. Oh, sorry. Ew, he's so disgusting. I'm never gonna touch him. Oh. Wish I could draw my car now. There are aliens everywhere. Don't drive your car, silly. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I'm ready to drive it right now. No, bro. No. Oh, get back here. Okay, I'm getting out of my car, and I'm just gonna walk. I'm just gonna walk to work. Oh, there's everywhere. Two people out in the street, huh? Oh. No! Don't stand in front of their face! It was what? He farted just now. Ew. Hey, you're scaring him. I'm getting out of my car and going. Oh, jeez. Oh, finally I get off of here. I'm gonna walk. Can everybody chill out up here? I'm trying to sleep in my car and my sister's acting crazy. Let's get out, sister. Sister, let's get out. Shut the door, yo. Let's push our car. Okay. Oh my god, there's aliens. Get in your car, everybody. Get in your car. It's the best baby. Oh, so cute. Oh my god, it's green. You're safe here, baby. Ow! Take mommy to the hospital now! Take care of the space! I'll read the penguin. Whoa! Whoa! Earthquake! Oh! Oh! Everybody's out of their cars. Oh no, Jackson! John, where's that? Ah! Everybody, get in your car. There's aliens everywhere. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Get in our cars everywhere. There's aliens everywhere. Okay guys, I'll leave you guys alone. Me and the security guard will take care of this situation. In your cars, everybody! Hey sister, can't you just drive with someone else? I gotta take care of the baby. Fine. Get in our car. Take care of the baby in the car. Let's get in here. Bring her home. Why should we bring her? Oh, she doesn't want it. Well, so bring her home. Okay. Fine, we don't want to get in trouble. No, babe. No. Yeah. I don't want to get attacked by several aliens at once. Go to sleep. No. Give me this car. No! You're not getting me! You're not me! We will kill you, Dad. I'm gonna open this door and see what's going on. Come here, baby. Come here. Your mommy was that girl that got kidnapped. Your mom was that. Your mother was that. Oh, sorry. Your mother was that girl that got kidnapped by the aliens. But I'm gonna get rid of the aliens and I'll get your mom back. But in the meantime, you two do not kill. I didn't kill it at all. My sister did. With Freddy. You are going to jail with the aliens. Oh. No, she's my sister. And I won't let her go. Now I'll get you a new sister. Actually, there. Here's your ticket, yo. Okay. Never do that. Get back in your car and drive away. And drive away. Oh. And drive away. What? Drive on, so drive away. Alright, we're gonna still in the truck. Wait till the traffic ends over, guys. Hey. Yo, girls. Okay, we took care of the situation. You guys are... Okay, we took care of the situation. You guys are free to go. Woo! Okay, let's turn around. Woo! Okay, let's go that way too. Woohoo! Huh? Save some work extra time. Save some work just in case. Woo! Oh, this is fun. Whee! Woo! Backwards flip. Woo! U-turn! Oh, this traffic jam's over. Goodbye.